In this video, you'll learn how to check a created calculation in Tableau. If you're new to Tableau or simply need a refresher on how to make sure your calculations are working as expected, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore the steps to efficiently check your created calculations within Tableau. First, you'll want to head over to tableau.com. If you haven't already signed in, make sure you do so with your credentials. This will give you access to your Tableau workspace and any recent projects you've been working on. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all things Tableau. Now, take a look at the Recent section. This is a convenient area where Tableau lists your most recently accessed workbooks and projects. Go ahead and select the relevant workbook by clicking on it. This step is crucial because it ensures you're working within the correct context where your calculation was initially created. Next, focus your attention on the Tables section located on the left side of the interface. This panel displays a list of all available tables and fields within your selected workbook. Here's where you'll need to find the specific calculation you've created. If you have numerous fields, you might find it helpful to use the search bar located at the top of the Tables section to quickly locate your calculation. Simply type in a keyword related to your calculation and Tableau will filter the results for you, making it easier to pinpoint exactly what you need. Once you've identified your calculation in the list, click and drag it over to the column section. This action is simple yet effective for visualizing your data. By dragging your calculation to the columns, you enable Tableau to generate a visual representation, often a graph or chart that reflects the data processed by your calculation. This is one of the best ways to validate that your calculation is working correctly. You'll be able to see any potential errors or discrepancies in the data presentation and make necessary adjustments. Remember, checking your calculation isn't just about ensuring accuracy, it's also about understanding the story your data is telling. So take a moment to interpret the visual output. Does it align with your expectations? Are there any anomalies that require further investigation? This part of the process helps you gain deeper insights into your data set, enabling you to make informed decisions based on the information presented. By following these steps, you can efficiently verify and validate the calculations you've created in Tableau. This process not only enhances your data analysis skills, but also boosts your confidence in using this powerful tool. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing.